Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Corporate Figures in this class I will tell you what is font family in CSS. So I will tell you and how to use font family. What is font family in this class I will telling you. So now let's start the video. So in next class I will tell you font size. So in this class I will be telling you font family. What is font family? So I will tell you many things in this class. What is font family, how to use font family. Okay, so now let's start the video. I will be open with Sublime Text Erasure shape, and here I will be erase it, then shape, then go here, then refresh. Okay, and here you can write easily as font family, and now here I will be write. So first of all, my topic is font family, so here I will write what is font family, how to use it. And now save, then refresh. Font family. Font means you can give any font. First of all, I will be copy that one and paste it. And now here font family. Font family, how to give the font to your text. It is a mean of font family. So first of all, you can give font / family and give your font. What you can give your text the font. I give Mon Serif. So comma sans serif, then save, then refresh. So here you can see it is coming like in Mon Serif and sans serif. You can give any font, it is your choice, Poppins, but it will very must you have that font. Means I have Poppins, I have Mon Serif, so I will be give. So you have also font what you will giving here. So I will be give no space. Here you can see it. It is coming like that. You can give any font. It is your choice. Here you can see it. You can give any font. It is a font family. And font family means what you can give font family. And what is font family means? Font means you can give any font. Family means here the sans serif means family. You can give Monso sans serif. Family means in Illustrator you can see there is you can give Mon Serif, then here is coming the bold, extra bold, and many things. It is a font fam. It's called the family. So it is mono space has also a mono space has font. So it is also a family. So I will be give like bold. It has his family. You can give any family like italic, but in that Sublime Text Editor you can only give on family on sans serif, and nothing you can will be go like bold. You can bold your text. So now you can go ahead and you can write font should be bold and save and refresh. It is bolder. You can only write bolder and save, then refresh, so font will be bolder. So in this class I will tell you font family in CSS. So I hope you enjoy this class and you like that video. So your friends subscribe to my channel. So I will meet you in next class of today. Goodbye.